Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. My name is Aditi and today we're going to talk about gorgeous bedroom remodel ideas for every home. A bedroom is one of the most essential space in our home. The need to remodel your bedroom arises when you're no longer comfortable with your bedroom's design. Bedroom remodel ideas include paintings, textiles, window treatments, flooring, lighting, wallpaper, etc. Bedroom remodeling gives the bedroom an elegant, ageless dynamic and a sophisticated look. We have compiled the best bedroom remodel ideas that can turn your master suite into a palace. Make a few changes here and there to ensure that the renovation reflects your style. So, let's get started. Keeping your bedroom mildly colorful is very important. Pick a good color scheme for an entire space. Color schemes are essential in interior design, so choose cool colors that reflect your sense of style. Then select one or two additional paint colors to complement your warm earthy colors and add exciting eye-catching touches. Note that simple, timeless and classic colors always make a bedroom stand out. If you have a large bedroom, cool colors will do justice to it. These colors have a relaxing effect, and examples are blue, green, most greys and blue-violet. Small bedrooms would benefit from warm color schemes like clean white, subdued grey or soft pink. Conversely, you could have an accent wall that also serves as a focal point. Accent walls blend your bedroom makeover, especially when paired with a new mattress. Since different colors equate to energy levels, go for something that you won't regret. Remodel or resurface your bedroom furniture to match your new look. Refinishing a piece of old bedroom furniture to update its appearance is very simple. You can paint wooden furniture or embellish your bed frame. This is one of the most cost-effective bedroom remodel ideas. However, if you intend on buying, consider the size of your bedroom. Even if you want 3 drawers and 2 nightstands in your bedroom, you may not be able to accommodate them. In addition, rearranging furniture is an excellent approach to creating a fresh appearance. The dimension of your space will influence how you organize your bedroom furnishings. Flooring is a common choice for every bedroom remodel. Consider installing hardwood flooring instead of area rugs. Hardwood floors are an excellent addition to any space, and it gives warmth, safety and comfort. Hard flooring types like porcelain should be used in places with much humidity and moisture. Choose soft surfaces that are comfortable for bare feet. For example, carpets and area rugs over wood or laminate flooring. However, install stylish rugs if you think hardwood flooring will make the room feel too chilly. You can also opt in for engineered hardwood, as stable plywood and hardwood veneer. Broad plank flooring, which comes in solid hardwood, engineered wood and laminate, gives primary bedroom a striking luxury appearance. Decorate the room to have a personal style. Bedrooms with subtle personalities attract attention and transform the room from a sleeping area to a center of attraction. One approach to guarantee that your bedroom design fosters a cheerful mood is to use home decor. It makes the room feel more like a home, a place you can relax. Your personal opinion should reflect in the decor. As a result, use your preferred fabrics, paint color and bedroom design. If you want to opt for a basic style, limit your decorations to what you need. Decorate your bedside table with a bouquet, candlelight, family photos and your best piece of art. Use brilliant cod orange for your bed sheets, decorative lamp and bed frame for a vibrant design. Use red and gold as accent colors. Create an alternative pattern or color for your headboard. Bold colors offer a clean appearance. Another bedroom remodeling idea is to use artwork. Display the artwork that you cherish so much. Mount a painting or a mirror on an empty wall to add exciting designs to your home. Find a blank wall if you don't have enough space above your bed. It makes no difference whether they are silk carpets, children's sketches, carvings or portraits. What counts is how much room you have and how you want to arrange it. Beyond the artwork, a color wheel is quite helpful. For instance, blue and yellow or orange are contemporary hues. Blue makes a quiet and serene atmosphere, while yellow adds sparkle. This will assist in bringing the room together. Window coverings are an excellent way to bring vibrancy, texture and tenderness to a space. Window coverings come in various styles, including tones, linens, shutters and drapes. Opt for a light filtering soft sheer. You may pair them with thick window shades to limit light and provide the privacy you want at night. However, the cost of curtains, shades and blinds varies. White panel curtains are inexpensive, simple and versatile. Thick velvet or cotton in warm hues can do the trick if you want simple drapes that hide the early light but don't seem too heavy. As a result, you might first determine which window coverage you need. Remember to pick colors that complement your room's concept and match the color of your bed sheets to the color of your curtains. Remodel your space into a master bedroom. A master bedroom is superior to a regular one. Stunning features like lounging space, bamboo window shades, canopy bed, and spa-like bathroom will turn your space into a master bedroom. Create a walk-in closet, master bathroom, and sitting room in your master bedroom design. In your walk-in closet, store all your unique apparel and stuff you wouldn't want in your bedroom. They help you keep things organized and ensure that the master bedroom is constantly clean and tidy. In addition, create a comfy chair lounge and a sofa in your reading area. In your master bedroom, you may even install a wet bar, fireplace, or coffee bar for chilly mornings. Incorporate a good-sized closet and makeup vanity in your master bedroom ideas. Lastly, those who have blue bedrooms always get more sleep due to its calming effect. Bright colors may boost your mood, but they will keep you awake at night. Though we recommend you use master bedroom colors falling within the neutral range. Use them as highlights throughout the room to lighten it and provide a sense of passion, a vital aspect of romantic bedroom. This is it for this video. If you liked our video, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.